For some of you out there that just got introduced to black soap and you've been using it for a while and you find out that it's not really working on your skin just the way you want it, I want to tell you one of the reasons why it is really not working on your skin, and also how you can use it and it will penetrate and work on your skin very, very well. Okay, if you're trying to clear out your dark spots, your acne scars, the acne itself, and discolorations, please don't go anywhere. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So before diving into the video of today, let me introduce myself to my new subscribers here. Hello, my name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And for my OGs, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Please do me well by hitting on the red subscribe button. If you've not, turn on your post notifications to always notify you whenever I post a new video. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so back to the video. So this is black soap that I'm holding. Okay, I traveled for a while and I had the sun over there is too much. Where I went to, hey, the sun there, ha. As you can see, my face is really dark. If you go back to my previous video and this my very video, you will see a very big difference. Okay, my face really went dark because that place was super hot. So I had to come back home and go back to my black soap because black soap does a lot of magic to my face whenever I use it. So first of all, I want to tell you guys why you use black soap and you say it doesn't work for you. The reason why you use black soap and you say it doesn't work for you. First of all, you're not using it correctly. That's just the main reason. You're not using it correctly in the right way. You're not using it the way you're supposed to use it. Some people will just use it on their face and wash it out. That's not how to use black soap. So I will teach you how to use it now. Okay, and tell you how long you can leave it on your face so it can work very well on your face. I'll just give you an example because I want to, do my morning routine. So my face routine. Okay, so I'll just use it now, and so you guys can just learn how to use black soap. It does really work. Okay, when I came back new, my face was far darker than this, so now it is it is okay at least. So let me just give you an example. So first of all, I'll just like to wash. Please excuse the water sound. Rinse my face a bit, as you can see. So secondly, what I will do, see what I'm doing. I'm rubbing it in. Please do not allow it go into your eyes because this thing is really hot. Okay, it's super hot. See, easy to scrub. Not scrub, just rub it in gently, not scrubbing. Okay, down to your neck area. Okay, please note, do not in whatsoever situation you are in, oh, you want pink lips, you want red lips, please go get a pink lip balm or a red lip balm. Okay, do more of scrubbing on your lips. Do not please ever rub in black soap or any soap on your lips. Please, it's dangerous. Now you can see I really washed my face very well, so I'm going to be leaving this soap on my face for maybe 3 minutes, because if it exceeds that 3 to 2 minutes, your face will burn. Black soap have content inside that content can burn your face. Black soap is powerful, but a lot of people do not know. They just say, oh, it's native soap, and it's something that they did in the village, oh, something that is not organic. Black soap can burn your face. It can burn your face. Honestly, this black soap was made with raw materials, raw materials, unlike some other products out there that the materials they are using, they are already processed and all of that. But black soap came from a very raw material, so we should be careful how we use black soap. Okay, so me, I won't be leaving it for too much. Just leave it for some minutes, a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. The maximum should be 3 minutes. Okay, that's why you see after using black soap, your face is burnt and all of that. It's not even working on your face. Even if it burns the acne, but you'll be feeling pain. Your face will be kind of cracky. I don't know how to put it. So just leave it so it can go in and it will be fine. Or you're good to go. So you guys, I'm back. This is like after not up to 3 minutes, but as I can feel it that it's okay on my face. Okay, so I'm washing it out now. I'm back now. As you can see, I've washed my face. See, the moment I touch my face like this, it is, I don't know how to say it, it's stiff. So please, whenever you finish using your black soap and you dry out your face, do not leave your face like that, because it will be stiff. I don't know how to say it. Once it dries out, it will be like it's cracky. It's not, I don't know, it's stiff. Okay, let me just put it that way. You have to moisturize your face with any moisturizer of your choice, okay? With any moisturizer of your choice. So I'll be going in with my moisturizer, okay? And please do not dry out your face to the extent to be too dry. No, leave your face a little bit dampy. Allow water to be there a little bit, okay? Do not just dry it excessively, okay? I'll be adding my moisturizer now, okay? A very little quantity, okay? So moisturizer. Light goes down to your neck. Okay. Always take care of your face. So ladies, not even just the ladies, the guys too. I'm going in with my, what's it called? My serum. Okay. A little bit of it. Just a little. I'm stingy with it too. This is quite expensive. Look at the amount. Yes, I'll use that amount because I love using my serums mostly at night. Okay, because this is daytime, so a lot of people do their serum like this. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not used to that. They just press it in like this, like this. I'm sorry, I'm not used to it. I love rubbing whatsoever I'm using. Okay. Okay. So do not use it on your lips. I've said that earlier. So the mistake a lot of people make, like I've already said, they don't use their black soap correctly. After they just use it on their face and leave it for a very long time, it will burn your face and your face will grow darker. And what you're expecting that black soap to do for you, it will not do it for you. And secondly, they don't moisturize very well after using black soap. Black soap makes your face, it frames your face after usage. So you have to, okay, you have to, is a must. You have to moisturize your face. Use your face serum. Even if you don't have serum, just do not forget your moisturizing. Moisturize. Okay, it's very, very important. All right. If you're going out after moisturizing, try and throw in sunscreen there so you not get burnt outside. As simple as that. So please, like I said, like the video, share it. Okay, do not forget. Okay. So I love you guys and peace out. Bye bye.